So we have a very comprehensive product portfolio for different applications for the European customers here. And also another important thing I want to emphasize is that we are also implementing a dual supply chain strategy. We are building up a local sales FAE team to support the customer needs. We also plan to build up some application software capabilities here. So in our field, we see a strong growth demand for radar sensors. Cars are starting to equip with 5 to 6 radar sensors per vehicle. So that's a huge market. So our estimate is by 2030, the global demand for automotive radar sensors is going to be more than 300 million.